everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Life Learnings. My name is Preeti. I would like to thank you very much for the support that you have given to my channel. Today I shall be taking up the topic on what are blockages in regards to money. In my previous video, I have covered what are blockages which hold us back to manifest our goals and desires. If you haven't watched that video, I would recommend that you first watch that video and watch this as a continuation. For those who haven't watched that video, I am leaving a link in the description box below. You can go down to the description box, click on that link and watch the video. I will quickly summarize to you what are blockages. Blockages are mental blocks which are deep rooted in our subconscious mind in the form of the energy of doubt or fear. They are associated with your belief system because we hold a lot of beliefs in our mind from our childhood or even from our past lives, which we even carry till now. Friends, money is an energy as well. Like love, peace, good health, happiness, joy, prosperity are all energies. Similarly, money is associated to wealth and wealth is associated to prosperity. That is how we can say that money is an energy. A lot of you find it difficult to earn money or feel that money comes and goes back quickly, or that you're not able to hold on to your money and enjoy it for yourselves. Some common blocks around money are: I am not worthy, so I will not earn enough. Money doesn't grow on trees. Money is hard to earn. My family is poor, so I will be poor. Rich people earn by unethical means and they have a small heart, whereas I am poor but I have a big heart. If I give, I won't receive enough. Money comes but it goes away quickly. It doesn't remain with me. So friends, I would want you to identify what belief are you holding, which is very important, and I'm sure we all know our beliefs as we repeat them to ourselves all the time. You simply need to ask yourself, what is your feeling towards money? What do you really feel about money? The belief which is in regards to you are not worthy could have originated in your childhood when your parent or a relative must have told you that you are not worthy, you will not do well, you're good for nothing. So maybe at that time this belief took a deep root in your mind. If you feel money is hard to earn or it is not grown on trees, maybe you saw a parent of yours really working hard and not earn enough for everybody, and it must have taken a deep root in your mind at that time. So anything like this could have happened, which must have taken a deep root in your belief system. For everyone it is different. There could be different beliefs for different people, but I would want you to identify what is the belief that you are holding in regards to money, because that is very important. And I will actually make you write it down first, and we will customize one affirmation for you specially. So why don't you quickly take a paper and pen and quickly write down your belief in regards to money. What is it that you believe or you feel about money? So once you have identified your belief that you hold for money, it will become easy for you to acknowledge it. Now what I want you to do as an exercise is, I want you to be in the awareness of the belief. Now acknowledge it, that yes, I was holding to this belief and was carrying it from I don't know how long, but now I am ready to let go of this belief and instead I choose to believe. Now we will reverse the affirmation. So suppose your belief was, money doesn't grow on trees, money is hard to earn. So you will now replace it with a positive belief, that is, I know now that money is easy to earn and is easily available to me, and I am earning consistently enough. Anything that is positive, friends, you just need to reverse that belief into something positive. Like I'll give you a sentence and you have to write the opposite of it. I accept money as a loving, nurturing and comforting energy around me. By acknowledging, you will be able to break through the chains that tied you to this belief from so long, and because of which you doubted having money in your life. Now this is a process, friends. You will have to follow this acknowledgement by repeating positive affirmations to yourself at least for 21 days. I will now further give you some positive affirmations which you can actually make note of. The reason you will need to do this is because previously you've held some deep rooted beliefs which were negative in your subconscious mind, and now you will need to replace and reprogram your mind with fresh new positive beliefs. So by repeating the positive affirmations, you're actually reprogramming your subconscious mind. It will take some time, friends. Don't be in a hurry, but do it consistently. If you are consistent, you'll definitely be able to reprogram your mind. And once you convince your conscious mind, your subconscious mind will get convinced automatically. For that, you can use the outside in technique which I mentioned in my video, the inside out and the outside in techniques. You can go to that video, you can watch it. I will leave a link of that video also in the description box. You can click on it and watch it. And to do those affirmations, you can use the 108 affirmation technique which I have mentioned in my other video. I will leave a link of that as well. So if you haven't watched those videos, you can watch them, and then this will become very easy for you friends to follow. Let's do a quick recap, everyone. We first identified the belief that we were holding against money. Then we acknowledge that belief and we replace the negative belief with a positive belief. It is not difficult to do this. You don't need to dig out into the past and know where that negative belief originated, because I feel that is not important as long as you are aware of your belief. I will now give you some positive affirmations in regards to money. But it is important to have your own customized affirmation ready with you, which you should do every day, because that is actually the belief you are holding, right? You can at least try it for 21 days. So here we go, some positive affirmations in regards to money. I am open to receiving the abundance that the universe has to offer. Please make a note of it. I am open to receiving the abundance that the universe has to offer to me. Now I am seeing constant increase in my income. Now I am seeing constant increase in my income. Now money comes to me easily, effortlessly and quickly from all directions. Now money comes to me easily, effortlessly and quickly from all directions. I am talented and worthy of earning enough. I am talented and worthy of earning enough. In case you have any doubts in regards to your belief and you're not able to reframe it, you can simply put it down in the comment box and I will reframe it and send it to you. Now money, friends, like I told you, is an energy. So you have to welcome money in your life. You have to feel receptive about money. You have to accept money in your life. Be aware of how you think about money and how you feel about money. Don't feel that there is lack and there isn't enough. Always feel there is more than enough for everyone. Now that you have planted the new belief and you're repeating it to yourself every day, I'm sure there will be a shift in your energy field very soon. So once you start receiving money, how are you going to treat money? Your acceptance to money is what will determine the constant flow of the energy of money in your life. So you'll have to be very careful of how you feel when you receive money. Are you receiving it with love? Are you accepting it with a feeling of being worthy of receiving it? Or are you feeling I'm not worthy for this money? Once you start receiving money in your life, do have the attitude of gratitude towards money. Do welcome it with love. Do feel worthy of having money. If you have any queries, please leave your questions in the comment box and also do give me your valuable suggestions. If you have liked my video, do give me a like, and those who have not subscribed yet, do subscribe to my channel so that my videos reach to you as soon as I upload them. I wish you all good luck and lot of love and light in your life. Thank you so much.